Yo guys, it's Badger here, and today we have the atomic talking clock for an Hearkent, and it is meant to be for elders or seniors because it has a really big display, as you will see in a second, and it has some multifunction buttons. Um, just so you know, I mute the sound because I find it really annoying when you have all these background noise from unpacking stuff and when pushing buttons and stuff. But you definitely can push the buttons in the front, and it tells you the time, it tells you the date, and depending where you have it set up, it can actually also tell you the temperature. And it also has a light up button, and I will show you all that in a second. Over here, that's this timer, then there's light and a set button for certain alarm clocks and stuff, and here goes the batteries. I will just throw in two here because I have them already around. And then we have a look at the watch or the clock. So as you see, now it goes all the way up to 12, tries to set the right time zone. That goes all automatically, which is kind of nice, I guess. Depending where you're at, you might have to adjust it a little though. And then you see the little arrow goes quite smoothly. And yeah, it's, as I said, really big, makes it easy for elders, seniors, and if they are still having trouble reading, they can just push the big buttons in front and let the clock tell them what time it is or what date it is and stuff. So that's kind of nice. That's still trying to set it up. Give it the time it needs. I had some trouble finding out how to set it up in the right time zone, but it's not as hard if you just follow the steps in the manual. Otherwise, it's made pretty good. It's pretty straightforward. Not much you can do wrong. But yeah, my grandma's happy. She is unfortunately not blessed with a good eye vision, like she is going to be blind at some point, sadly, and that's why she needed a watch that is helping her out, figuring out what's going on, what time it is, and all that. And yeah, this was exactly what she needed, so that was exciting. So yeah, let's see. Is it gonna get there? I don't know. Seems like it's taking way longer than it should. But yeah, I will just let it run, whatever. I'm just tell you some other stuff about the watch and or the clock while it's doing its thing, I guess. Um, so, oh my god, it's taking really forever. But whatever. As long as it works, I would say it's fine, right? So, what else can I say? There's more alarms you can set. That's kind of nice too. Like there's 3 you can save in case that someone is needing more than one for a certain like medication or something like that. You can have them set up for 3 times a day. And besides that, I would say, yeah, it's a decent watch, decent clock. And right here, you can see where the lights are located when you push them. Um, and you can just light them up if that's needed. But talking, see, that's a button what I was talking about. It's a huge button. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will let you guys know that there's the alarm button and all that, and I will see you around in the next video.